Hey, how's it going, everybody? So Sandvik came out with this new part-off tool for parting off in the y-axis. And when I first saw this, I was like, come on, man, this has got to be some kind of gimmick. How do they expect me to believe that parting off in the y-axis versus the x-axis is going to be any different and lead to reduced cycle times, right? So I watched their video that they put out. Let's play this thing here. So here we go, coming in with their new tool. They're showing it feeding up in the y-axis. And then here's a traditional style they got on the left side that we're all used to. And you can see they show that their y-axis one's already done. And here we are still parting off on the left side, right? So I'm like, okay, that's nice. But how does this work, right? And this is what they claim right here. They claim that they're feeding 3 times as fast. Now they say the conventional one is going 6 thousandths per revolution, which, you know, I've never parted off that fast. And they're claiming their y-axis is going 18 thou per rev. That's pretty impressive, I gotta say. And that looks like some kind of steel that they're parting off there. I mean, I'd like that 6 thou as it is, but we'll just go based on percentages, right? So they're claiming they're going 3 times as fast. And I can believe that the y-axis is actually going 3 times as fast now that I've been thinking about it, even though I may not believe this 18 thou and 6 thou per rev numbers that they're quoting there. So let me explain what's going on here. So when you're parting off conventionally, you're applying load directly onto this tool like this, right? Now this is a thin blade, and what it's going to want to do is it's going to want to bend. So it's not going to be very rigid, and that's going to cause some chatter issues, and you're not going to be able to feed as fast because of the tendency of the tool to want to bend. But they were pretty clever in solving this issue and feeding in the y-axis, because look at where your load's coming from in the y-axis, right? You're coming straight down on it like this. And the strongest area of this tool is in this direction. So it's not going to want to bend, and it's going to chatter less, and you're going to be able to have a higher feed rate because of that. So I do actually think that this is a legitimate solution and a legitimate product, even though I don't really believe those numbers that they put on there. But if I had a lathe with a y-axis, that is how I would be parting off. So I hope you guys found this informative and explained a little bit here on what's going on. And yep, take it easy.